Today we're going to take a look at a very popular attachment for compact and subcompact tractors, the post hole digger. And as the name suggests, this attachment is used for digging post holes when installing a fence around your property. It can also be used in other applications like planting trees or building retaining walls when landscaping. Okay, today we're going to be building a fence around the horse arena, basically setting our posts at 5 metre centres, drilling a hole 600mm deep, laying our posts and concreting them in. So let's get started. Post hole diggers can be driven by the rear PTO on the tractor or mounted on the front end loader using the tractor's hydraulic system like the SA20 here, fitted to our Kubota L5740 tractor. We'll now go over the differences between the front and rear mounted options to help you decide which one best suits your needs. First, let's take a look at the rear mounted PTO driven post hole digger. This Land Pride PD25 is suitable for tractors from 25 to 55 horsepower. Today we've got it hooked up to the Kubota B3150, which is a 31 horsepower tractor. It's a great match for this implement. Rear-mounted post hole diggers are popular because they are generally a simple and cost-effective option. They deliver plenty of digging power, being PTO driven, and visibility of the hole is great since the attachment is closely coupled to the back of the tractor. The main limitation with the PTO driven post hole digger is down pressure. They rely on the auger flighting to draw the auger into the ground and dig effectively. This can be slow in hard ground conditions. The PD25 can be fitted with an optional hydraulic down pressure kit. This option uses the tractor's hydraulic pressure to push the auger into hard ground, improving performance. Now let's move on to the front mounted post hole digger. This is the Land Pride SA20 attached to the Kubota L5740 tractor. It's our preferred choice to get today's job done. The SA20 is suitable for both the L and the MX series tractors. It includes the hitch frame suitable for connection to the universal hitch plate on your loader. The front end loader mounted auger has some advantages that are worth mentioning. The main one is its ability to use the weight of the tractor's front end to apply down pressure to improve digging performance. On our property, we do get some hard soil conditions, particularly during the summer, so extra down pressure makes the SA20 a very effective option for us. The SA20 also allows you to offset the auger drive mount. It's installed on the centre mount bracket now, but you can also change to the side mount, depending on the task. The side mount is better for working in confined areas or if you need to have an improved line of sight. Another important difference when comparing the front versus the rear mounted option is that the front mounted auger is reversible. So if it hits a rock or a tree root, you can easily reverse it to clear the obstruction. A simple but very effective feature on the SA20 is the level indicator. It will help ensure that the holes are plumb, meaning that your fence posts are perfectly vertical once installed. How easy is that? And another great feature of the SA20 is the integrated hose protection. This protects the hoses and hydraulic fittings from damage, keeping them neatly tucked inside the motor enclosure. There is a full range of Kubota augers available to match your projects, as well as options like auger extensions for situations where you need to dig deeper holes. And both the PD25 and the SA20 covered in this video have a 5-year gearbox warranty for great peace of mind. Thanks for watching. For more tips on the Land Pride auger range, visit kubota.com.au or speak to your local dealer today. Happy digging!